Hello, everyone. I have not been doing this for a while, so welcome back to my live day trading video. I have about 20 minutes left of the market time. I just want to show you what I'm doing in the NIO trade. So before that, I actually wanted to talk about this LI trade. So the beautiful trigger was right here. If I want to make a line, the 28 trigger, as you can see, tested one time, a couple times here, and then this time here. Oh, I have a feedback. Okay, I'll turn that off. All right, so beautiful trigger. Took 100 shares because it was late in the day, didn't want to take more risk. But I think it made me $50 in that trade. Very nice trade. The other trade is NIO. So NIO in LI, same sector, up for today, about 5%, very strong. The trigger for me was 51. So actually it took 51 here. I took it right here and then it, oh wait, did I take it there? Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, I took, this is the 5-minute chart. So I took NIO right here because of this reversal trend. So it has been high, came down for, for 2 hours. And then this is the VWAP, and then it kind of wants to reverse. And indeed, it is reversing. Where do so I took 100 shares. The other 300 is like for my long-term investment in NIO. So I took 100 shares in NIO. Where is my target? So let's take a look at Tesla. So NIO and Tesla, especially today, goes together really well. So if I put both on the 5-minute chart, you can see that both of them start the day down. So you see this, and then move up. The move up starting around 11. All right, you see 11, you see the time here. And then they topped around 12:30. All right, so here, this is 12:30 in Tesla. Look at them right now. Right now, Tesla is over that top already. All right, what you say in day trading, you say over the high. Tesla is at the highs of the day. NIO is not. NIO is 30 cents away from the high of the day. The high of the day is 51.88. Currently, NIO is sitting at 51.50. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to 51.80 before I take a partial. So as I can look at it and see now, Tesla is struggling a bit with the high of day. So I'm definitely going to take a partial very soon in NIO. So just my analysis of the trade. I'm going to wait and see it's still growing volume. Yeah, very optimistic about this trade. Tesla is dropping. Maybe I'll take a partial. I'll just take a 25 cents partial, 25 shares partial. Okay. Hopefully it will. Yeah, I'm like 90% confident that it will make 51.80 today. Let's see if I'm right. As you can see, NIO and Tesla, very similar. Tesla is at the highs already, and NIO is not. So maybe NIO will just have to deliver. I wanted to show you while we're just waiting for NIO, It's going to have to pull back. This pullback is, expected. Whenever it runs up too fast, it's just got to take a breather. Wanted to show you what happened in LI today. I took this trade over lunch. I lost like $50 on it. I was really optimistic that it would go higher right about here, but it did not. Eventually it did, but that's irrelevant. So as you can see, it's kind of like there's a magnet or there's a barrier prevented this from moving higher. So obviously that has to be a trigger, the $28 trigger. Whenever the stock gets above that, you have to enter. So I entered here. I was optimistic that it would go above this previous high, so 28.28 and potentially 28.50. That was my price target of 28.50. So I took 300 shares. Risk was to 27.60, so 300 shares times 40 cents of $120 risk. It went close to 28.28. I reduced, took a partial, and then I exited out right here. So it was a $50 loser for me on that LI trade. But normally if this works, it will give you a lot of money. For example, XPEV, very, very similar. One of the reasons why I took that LI trade was because what happened in XPEV earlier in the day. So you see this move up in XPEV around 11:15 a.m. You see it tested that. It just sat there, did nothing from 10:45 to 11:20. So like what is it? I don't know, half an hour? Yeah, half an hour. Look at what it did. So 37.48, and then the high was 39. So 1.5 points in XPV, right? If I entered 300 shares, would have made $300. Probably a little less than that, but regardless, it was a big move. It was not a couple cent move, as opposed to LI. So it failed for LI. You can see I told you XBV that ceiling was at 11, right? It was the same time for LI. It just occurred at the wrong time, and there was not a lot of passion in the market, so it didn't make the new high. But that 28 was still relevant at 3 o'clock, which is when I took that trade I just talked to you about at the beginning. The 28 trigger still, and it did this amazing move, 80 cents. If this had occurred earlier, if that occurred here, would have made a lot of money. 300 shares of 80 cents, that's like $240. But it didn't, which is fine. All right. I had a pretty profitable day. I took, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 10, 11, 11 trades. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winners. 11 trades, 8 winners. That is more than a half. That's good. So I'm pretty happy with the trading today. Hasn't been it hasn't been well for the past month or so. NIO has been down a lot, so yeah, it's not too good. Yeah, so right now we're just waiting for NIO to deliver. If I show you the daily chart of LI, oops, I think LI is going to break out soon. And today's a very positive day for LI. I'm very optimistic about LI. You have this bullish wedge. As soon as it gets out of this wedge, which is basically connecting the highs, it's going to deliver. It's going to move up to at least 40 within the next, let's say, a couple weeks. We'll see 40. So we'll basically double. I'm very, 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 very optimistic. Yeah, so I have, let's say in LI, currently $3,000 of asset in LI. I have 100 shares holding that. I have 3 calls, two of which probably I'll lose money because I've lost, like 80% of them. But that was before. That was like here. I was very optimistic that it would move up like at this time instead of, now. But so yesterday I bought another call and it printed like $100 for me today. So I bought this yesterday. Give you money today. And then let's take a look at the daily chart on NIO. NIO is a little bit different. I don't know what's going to happen to NIO. I mean, hopefully it goes up. Let's have the most amount of money in NIO. Let's see, $20,000 in NIO. I have a call for $50 expiring March 12th. Costed $500. Bought it yesterday. Gave $82 today. Bought this a while ago. I bought that here. It was very beautiful. It was forming a cup and handle at this top, and it got decimated for the past 2 weeks. So I lost, what is it, $400 on that. And then I have this vertical spread. Basically, I put $300 in to bet that it would be between $60 and $70 by March 5th, or, on March 5th. So I don't know. Hopefully it will. Earnings is next week. If it does amazing, if it provides good forecast, it will be good. If not, then I will just lose that $300 because it's expiring. Oh, actually, it's expiring. Wait, when is that call? Oh, yeah, the vertical doesn't expire until March 5th. Earnings is March 1st. So I still have some chance to get that $300, but this one I'm ready to lose. I bought 420. It's now worth $150. 420 times 100. I bought it for $420. Now it's worth $1.50. So I've lost $418.50. It's fine. That's options. Just lose money if it goes against you. But 300 shares. The 75 is for day trading. 300 shares of NIO. I don't know what's going to happen, but hopefully it will go up for me. As you can see, this past few weeks has been bad. Basically, there was let's see, what is it? A 20% decline from February 10th was when it topped, and then it just came down, sliding down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. It bottomed yesterday. All right, NIO, look at that. What did I tell you? I said I was 90% sure that NIO was going for the new highs. I'm going to take another 25 shares off the table. Bam. So negative 25 shares, 51. What did I sell that for? 51.79. Look at Tesla. They go together. Tesla is making new high. So it made new high here, and now it's even newer than that. So what do I see this NIO doing? Not just 51.90, but 52. Maybe above 52 today. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's going to go above 52, but I'm sure it's going to touch 52. I'm sure it's going to touch 51.99. We'll see. This is fun to watch. We have 8 minutes left. Oh, 7. 7 minutes left. Tesla, 741. Yeah, Tesla also got decimated for the past week or two. Yesterday, at one point, it was down, I think, 10%. Yeah, it was just bad. But I held my nose. I bought Tesla at 600. So yeah, see, NIO 51, 52. We have 12,000 sellers, 12,700 sellers. It's going to touch 51.99. I don't know if it's going to go above that. I'm going to see. Should take a partial right before 51, well, right before 52, which is like right about now, but I'm very greedy. maybe I'll wait. Maybe I'll wait after 52. Again, I took 100 shares at 51. I have 50 shares left. Come on, it touched 51.98. Okay, look at the times and sales, 97, 96, 97. Okay, I see a lot of sellers at 52. But it was 16,000 before, now it's, oh, now we're above 52. Are we? We are at exactly 52. Dropped 52. Do we see above? Nope, not above, not yet. Come on, let's go. I should take a partial. 25 shares partial off the table. All right. Just need to log that. Come on, 52. There we go, 52.01. See executions. No, not yet, actually. Yeah, now 52.01. That means there are shares being traded at 52.01. 52.02 now. All right, Tesla is just screaming higher, 744 now. Okay, NIO 52.07. I have just 25 shares left. Let's see what LI is doing. LI is just hanging out there. It's fine. Earnings is tomorrow. Hopefully it will go up. Hopefully. Let's take a look at Tesla again. Yeah, I was right to take a partial at 52. Yeah. I wrote a big piece today on my Facebook page about Boeing. I have 20 shares at 215. I think I bought it the day before. Well, actually yesterday. I bought it yesterday. Not 215 because I day traded today, so it jacked up the price to 215, but I think I bought it at like 208 or something like that. Today is at 230, close to 230. So I made, let's say, I'm going to be conservative and say $10 move up. Obviously, that's not $10, close to $20. But let's say if I made $10 on the move up times 20 shares, that is about $200 and just the shares for me on Boeing. But I also have an option to buy Boeing at 250 on 16th of April, buy 100 shares at 250. That gave me $300 today. Where do I see Boeing going? I'm very, very optimistic on Boeing. So you can read more in my Facebook post, but this is basically a cup and handle. It's going to go above 244, or it has to form a perfect candle. And then once it goes above 244, I think 300 is going to be the target within, let's say, 2 to 3 weeks after it broke 250. Right, so that's my take on Boeing. But we'll just move back to Tesla for now. Where do I see? This is the daily chart of Tesla on the daily. So this is the candle that it produced today. Where do I see Tesla going? I don't know. It could move sideways, like moving around here for a while. Let's draw this triangle, rectangle. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to move up very soon, but it's I think I'm like 60% sure that it's going to move sideways. There's still some uncertainty in the market. It just, it's good that it's not screaming down again. So a sideway move, I would be happy until it forms a pattern, and then I will go long. But right now it's just a small position. I'll keep adding to that as time goes on. All right, we have 2 minutes left. Actually, just one. So I will just hit sell NIO. So completed this day trade. Whatever happens, happens. I don't care. That is it. Market will close in like 50 seconds. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Today was just a pretty free day and relaxed day, so I thought I could do this. If you like the content, please let me know, and I will keep making more of it. Thank you.